Welcome to Smart Kitchen channel, where I review the latest and greatest gadgets for your home. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 features of the Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop, a device that combines powerful vacuuming and sonic mopping for a complete clean from start to finish. The Shark Matrix Plus is not your ordinary robot vacuum. It has some amazing features that make it stand out from the crowd. Let me tell you about them. Feature number 1, incredible suction and sonic mopping. This means that it can vacuum carpets and floors with ease, and then switch to sonic mopping mode to scrub hard floors 100 times per minute. It can even tackle stuck-on stains with its Matrix Mop feature, which delivers 50% better stain cleaning in targeted zones. Feature number 2, no spots missed technology. With Matrix Clean, the robot cleans in a precision matrix grid, taking multiple passes over dirt and debris for 30% better carpet cleaning. It also has CleanEdge Detect, which uses blasts of air and corner recognition to remove debris from edges and corners for 50% better edge cleaning. Feature number 3, HEPA filtration and anti-allergen seal. This means that it captures and traps 99.97% of dust and allergens in its bagless self-empty base, which can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris. You don't have to worry about changing bags or emptying bins, as the robot does it for you automatically. Feature number 4, smart home mapping and voice control. With LiDAR navigation, the robot can map your home and create custom cleaning plans for each room. You can also control it with your voice using Alexa or Google Assistant, or with the Shark Clean app on your smartphone. You can start, stop, pause, resume, schedule, or customize your cleaning preferences with just a few taps or commands. Feature number 5, recharge and resume. The robot automatically returns to its base when it needs to recharge, and then resumes cleaning where it left off. This way, you don't have to worry about missing any spots or interrupting your cleaning schedule. As you can see, the Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop is a game changer for your home cleaning needs. It's like having 2 devices in one, saving you time and effort. If you want to learn more about this product or buy it for yourself, check out the links in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more gadget reviews. See you next time.